We are the UPRM Solar Boat, a student-driven solar boating team. The Solar Boat Team is composed of students from electrical, computer, and mechanical engineering. The team has been working on the project since 2014, and we have been competing since 2016 in Ohio. Our main goal is to participate and win the Solar Splash competition. This is an event that happens every year, and it's an intercollegiate solar boating competition. It's a 5-day event where universities can accumulate points in 7 different categories. The last competition was in 2019, where we achieved second place. Out of 1,000 points, we were just about 1.5 points shy from the first place. Here we have an overview of how the performance from our boat has improved since its beginning. On the left, we have our top speed improvements, starting from only 4.5 meters per second in 2016 to our current top speed, which is 12 meters per second, at almost a 3 times performance increase. On the right, we have our endurance speed, which is the high efficiency race of the competition. We started at 2.1 meters per second in 2016, and today our boat has improved to 2.8 meters per second, almost a 33% improvement since the team started. Due to restrictions established by competition rules, the boat must use lead-acid batteries of no more than 100 pounds per bank. So every improvement over the years have been achieved while using the same batteries with 2.2 kilowatt hours of energy. After testing, the chosen hull has been manufactured to full scale using CNC machines in order to achieve the desired geometric form as close as possible. The boat's 15-foot long core is made from a dense foam and then laminated with carbon fiber and Kevlar honeycomb panels, reducing the weight from 110 pounds on our last boat to a mere 50 pounds without sacrificing structural integrity. With any significant change made to the hull, new propellers have to be designed in order to achieve desired points of operation. The team has developed a propeller for high speeds and another one for low speeds, using MATLAB and OpenProp as primary tools. For the steering system, the team is transitioning from a steel Teleflex system to a much lighter and stronger cable and pulley configuration. Of course, a solar boat needs its solar panels. The competition allows for up to a 480-watt configuration. After researching and testing more than 4 solar panel models, we opted for a solar array made by Solvian with 462 watts. Although we tested configurations which had 480 nominal watts, the Solvian array managed to produce more power at higher temperatures than the other brands we tested. Although this has been an atypical semester for everyone, the team is keeping up with schedule by having weekly online meetings and physical testing when needed. These pictures show the new hull with 450 pounds of load, just as if it were assembled with all of the other components. When comparing the old hull versus the new one, preliminary testing showed the new design to have around a 19% less drag than the previous hull at the same speed and weight. There are several other improvements being made to the overall system, such as more precise instrumentation for better data acquisition, a battery research that is made every year, and so forth. On behalf of the team members and professor of the UPRM Solar Boat, We thank you for attending our video presentation. We hope to have given an informative and useful video about our project.